Welcome back to Plantopedia. If you feel like you can't even keep a cactus alive, this video is for you. You don't need to be an expert to have a green home. Here are 5 hard-to-kill houseplants that are practically indestructible. First is the snake plant. This is the ultimate survivor, capable of going weeks without water and thriving in everything from dim corners to bright sun. It's one of the few plants that actually thrives on neglect. In fact, the most common way to kill it is by giving it too much attention and water. To keep it happy, just check the soil once a month. If it's dry all the way down, give it a drink. If not, let it be. Next is the zephyr plant. With its waxy, deep green leaves, it looks high maintenance, but it's actually one of the toughest plants in the world. It stores water in large, potato-like bulbs beneath the soil, allowing it to survive long periods of drought without losing its shine. Maintenance tip. The ZZ plant is extremely tolerant of low light. It's the perfect choice for windowless offices or hallways where other plants would struggle. The pothos is a beginner favorite for a reason. This trailing vine grows quickly and is incredibly forgiving of inconsistent watering. It's often called devil's ivy because it's nearly impossible to kill. It can bounce back from total wilt within hours of being watered. To keep it lush, just snip off any yellow leaves and let the vines trail. It's a great way to add a vertical green element to your space with zero stress. If you want a splash of color without the difficulty, the Aglaonema, Chinese evergreen, is your best bet. It comes in stunning varieties with green, silver, pink, or red variegated leaves. It's a slow grower that doesn't mind low light or dry air, making it a masterpiece of resilience for any room in your home. Quick tip: it prefers to be on the drier side. Only water it when the top half of the soil feels dry to the touch to keep the roots healthy. Finally, we have the corn plant. This woody-stemmed beauty gives you the look of a large indoor tree with only a fraction of the work. It's highly adaptable and can handle a variety of light levels and watering mistakes without dropping its bold, sword-shaped leaves. To ensure it thrives, keep it in a well-draining pot and avoid direct midday sun, which can scorch the foliage. It's a sturdy anchor for any new plant collection. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these resilient species for their bold presence and their ability to thrive even in the toughest conditions. By following these simple steps, you're not just growing a single plant, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's Growing Plant Library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.